Hi Bulldogs, today we're going to talk about different activities that we can do with our color counters. Okay, the first activity we're going to do with the color counters is sorting. We're going to sort. Sort means that we're going to put things that are alike together. Okay, so we're going to sort these counters by colors. We're going to put counters that are the same color together. Okay, I am sorting the yellow. They're going to be on that side. Those are the only yellow counters that I have, so they're going to be together. I'm sorting things, putting things together that are the same. Okay, next I'm going to choose the blue counters. Okay, so I'm going to put them right under the yellow. I'm gonna look for all my blue counters. I'm sorting the blue counters. There are no other colors other than blue right here.
Next, I will fast forward as I arrange and sort the rest of the color counters based on the color that they are.
Okay, so we sorted the counters by color. I put all the counters that are the same color together. All these counters are yellow. All these ones are blue. These ones are purple. These ones are green. These ones are pink. And these ones are red. Now, another thing that you can do with these counters is use them to count. Right? So we sort them, and now we're going to count. Okay, so let's count. We have 1, 2 yellow. So next to or inside the circle, we're gonna write 2. Okay, let's count them again to make sure we only have 2. I'm not gonna count any other counter that is not yellow. I'm only counting the yellow ones, and I'm going to point when I count. 1, 2. There's 2 yellow counters. Now I'm going to go this way. So next is the blue colors. Okay, let's count to see how many blue we have. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 blue counters. Okay, that's the number 7. I'm going to fix my purple ones because they're just all over the place. I want to make sure that when I'm counting, it's easy for me to count. I'm going to arrange them side by side, okay? And I'm going to make 2 columns. Now we're going to count them. I'm going to start from here and then go back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How do I write the number 10? That's a 2-digit number. I'm gonna write first, you write a 1 and then you write a 0. That's how you write the number 10. Okay, now just like I did with the purple, I'm going to arrange the green ones so that it's just easier for me to count them and I don't get confused. I'm not counting any color other than the green. I'm going to start from this and we're going to go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First you make a neck, then you make a big belly, come back and give it a hat. That's the number 5.
Now we'll continue and count the pink and the red counters.
First we sorted. That means we put the counters together based on the color. So they're in different sections based on the color. And then we counted to see how many of each color we had. Now another thing that you can do while you have those counters together is that you can make a graph. We can make a graph. I'm going to erase.
I decided to arrange and keep the counters that were the same color together as I prepared for my graph.
going to be a bar graph. Bar graph is going to show me how many there are. Let's make this a little bit down. Okay. So we're going to start with the blue, since the blue is closest to me. Blue starts with a b sound. So I'm going to write the letter. What letter makes the b sound? Yeah, the letter B. Gonna write the letter B right there. And now I'm going to put my counters like this. We're gonna make a bar going up. This is going to show us which one has the most counters. Red. The red makes the sound. The letter R makes the sound. Want to make sure we don't get confused. That's why I made that line. Gonna put only the red ones are going to be on top of the means red. Okay. After the red, we have the purple. What letter makes the p sound? The letter P.
I fast forward as I complete to arrange the rest of the color counters. I finish the purple ones. Then I continue on with the pink ones. Pink starts with a p sound and it ends with a k sound. That's why I wrote PK. Then I continue on with the green. Green makes a g sound at the beginning. And lastly, I did yellow. Yellow makes the y sound at the beginning.
When we're graphing with the counters, we could talk about many things. We can talk about which color had the most counters. When I look, I notice that the purple counters go all the way to the top, and I can barely even see. I think there's even one counter that is not visible on the camera. So I know that the purple has the most. This one has the most counters. And then when I think about which one has the least, that means which one has fewer, which one has less. I noticed that there are 3 different colors that have less. I noticed that the red, I noticed that the pink and the yellow all have 2 counters. So that means that they all have the least.
Then I erase so that we continue on